All right, this is your friendly neighborhood surveyor. It's Monday, President's Day in February 2024, and it's part of my 5-year plan. But I thought, I don't know, I don't care if anyone watches this, but I thought I'd go over some of the stuff that at least myself and other people talk about, like when it comes to investments. Because I don't have a 401k, I am relying on being able to invest right now to where in about 5 years, if I took Social Security at age 62, kind of, what's my best shot? And I know all this is gambling; it's not financial advice, but so I hold one Bitcoin at an average of about $26,200, like 26,125 or something like that. But what I did is I looked at Bitcoin, Tesla, the S&P ETF, Coinbase, Gold, MicroStrategy, which is a software company that's heavily invested in Bitcoin, and then the dollar. So the September price, let's go one by one. So the September price average for like Bitcoin was about 26,200. Now it's 52,100. It's fluctuating a little bit. But so for those 6 months, up 98%. So I got a $25.7 thousand profit. Now that's not going to make me. It'll break me, but it won't make me. Tesla, $248 a share. September, it's down to $200 a share today. The market's not open today, down 20%. So taking that same, what I've done is that like taking that same 26,200, if you were to put it in any of these, what you would be up. So with Tesla, since it's down, you'd be down a little over $5,000. The Spider or the S&P ETF, and this is all stuff from like Robinhood, 445. It's only up 498, 11% profit or 11% up. So you'd be a profit of $2,800. Coinbase, since it's kind of, these are tied together, and same with MicroStrategy, pretty much tied together. So Coinbase, $82 a share. Now we got the ETF and everything with Bitcoin. Coinbase is a large custodial holder for a lot of these ETFs. It's up to $179 now. It's up 118%. So I'd be up $30,916. Gold. So people say that, or the argument for Bitcoin is like digital gold because it's a store of value. And you got a lot of gold people that say, no, gold is a store of value. It's always safe. It's been around for thousands of years. But how many people actually hold gold other than some jewelry? How many of you guys actually hold ounces of gold, like gold coins or small bars of gold or anything? Whereas I think more people are, if you're in one of these two camps, people are holding Bitcoin as a store of value over gold, and gold ETFs are selling right now and moving to things like Bitcoin, only because you can't take it with you as easy as you can Bitcoin. So that's my argument there. But gold was $19.40 an ounce back in September, and now it's 2026. You're up 4% in 6 months, which kind of follows inflation. So it's inflationary, and you'll see that here in a second. So you would have been up 1,048 if you were to sell it. MicroStrategy, $356 a share. Now it's $698 a share, up 96%. You would have been up almost 25,000. So the dollar they say loses about 7% every year because of inflation. So your dollar today, next year, will only be able to buy 93 cents worth of the same stuff. So if you had $26,000 in dollars just sitting in your bank account, you have lost value, you can only buy $25,090 worth of the same stuff. So you're minus 910. And that's where kind of like gold kind of just keeps you even. So you lost $910 in spending value, but you kept it actually if it was all in gold. So it's just a net wash. You didn't make any money. You just didn't lose any money. You know, whatever, 50 bucks. 50 bucks not, again, it's not going to make you or break you. But if I took all of these pluses and minuses percentage wise, other than the dollar. So if you had your $26,000 and if you had your $26,000 and you divided them up into those stocks, you would have had an average percentage increase of 51%. So I don't know if that helps or hurts anybody, but this is the way I'm thinking about things. And once a month, I don't know, we'll kind of cover these again based on that September 2023 price. That's it, man. Surveyor.